Hello. If you manage WhatsApp groups for your business, this monitor, easily created with your chat, will be very useful for you. Here we have, for example, that I am in this group. Let's leave the group. And when you trigger leaving the group automatically, a record will appear in the Google Sheets document indicating the phone number, the name, the date and time, the group name, and the event. In this case, we see that it says WhatsApp Group Live. Now let's do the opposite. In this case, we were sent a link to join a WhatsApp group or received it through some other means. The group owner sent it to us or sent it to their clients. So by clicking, we are going to join the group. And automatically, we will see how in Google Sheets, in this case, the phone number will appear. There is no frame name because we are just registering it. The date and time of registration, the group in which it was registered, and the event join will also appear. It's important to clarify that in order to carry out this integration, the user or the number we are going to integrate from your chat must be an administrator of the group. In addition to that, now we are going to see how to configure it to monitor either a single group or all the groups you have within your business. To create the integration within N8N, what we are going to do is download the template that you will find in the link, either in the video description or in the blog post associated with this. And we are going to click on Import File. We are going to import this file directly. We have our templates ready, and now we simply click on the option to import the monitor. And we'll have this here, and the first thing we need to do is configure the nodes. These are the N8N nodes for WhatsApp that we have into chat. First, we configure the credential. We set up this credential with an API key. This API key, you will find it within your ToChat account by going to the developer section. And here we have our links, our applications. Here, so we click here. Generate a new API key in the API section. And then we click Save after saving. We are going to copy it. We click here on copy and then go to where we are going to paste the API key. After clicking save, we'll see that it was connected successfully and the events will automatically appear here. Among those events, we have here all the available events from the connector. In this case, we are going to use this one, new participant, join WhatsApp group. We are going to monitor the connection with this node. The connection. Here we select the channel, which is the WhatsApp number associated with your chat. And here we select the groups we want, either only specific groups or all groups. In this case, we want to monitor all groups, so we click here. Next, we are going to configure the Google Sheets account. We select the Google Sheets account and select the resource. In this case, we are going to look for the files. We have a file here and we are going to create it. In this case, you can copy it directly from the template, which you will also find in the video link or in the associated blog post. That file contains the sheets. The file is called Your Chat Group Monitor from this. We are going to select the sheet, which in this case is Group Monitor, and we are going to tell it to map each column manually. So, the column we are going to use as the key for any operation will be phone number, and we are going to, very important. Here, first make sure you have selected that the operation is append all of the rows. Here we can also select append only and simply add the events. Here, the template will automatically provide all the data required for the integration. we do this second part, which corresponds to the left event. As you can see, it is already selected. We select the channel, we select the group or groups or all the groups. Likewise, we are going to make the selection here for the monitor, where we will do exactly the same. We are going to add the row and use it. And we click Save, and very importantly, we click Activate. In this simple way, we will have an integration in A10 that is capable of monitoring when our clients join, register, or leave the groups that we are monitoring for our business. This will allow us to take action, whether to welcome those who join or even to execute, perhaps, retention strategies for clients who leave the groups. As always, it is important to have previously a ToChat account and to have the Google Sheets document already loaded within your associated account. And in addition to that, don't forget that the number you have selected here in this channel must be an administrator of the groups you want to monitor. Otherwise, the event will not execute correctly. Thank you very much.